Christmas, everyone, or as we say here in Norway, God jul. I am taking you with me as I am finishing up my last gifts for the holiday. It is a couple of days before Christmas as I'm recording this, and I am making this scarf. This is a hoodie scarf. Also, I will be taking you with me to the store where I'll do some Christmas shopping. And here is a little sneak peek of my Christmas tree. And here are the ornaments that I have been crocheting for my tree. Some of these you can find on my blog, like this stocking here. Yeah, and this is how it looks. This is a real tree that I got in the store. And here are some new kitschy Christmas decorations that I bought this year. And here you can see my little train and also my gingerbread house ornament. You can find this pattern out here on my YouTube channel as well. My name is Ragnhild. I am a crochet blogger. I love to make amigurumi, but also other quick and easy crochet projects. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are a regular viewer. Here I am finishing my basket. I just made a simple basket and I am using the crab stitch to make a nice finish to this one. This is a very easy project, but the yarn that I'm working with, it's not so easy to crochet with because it is a little thicker than the normal yarn. But if you are looking to make this easy project for Christmas, I'm going to explain to you in 1 minute how I am doing this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. This basket is made with single crochets. I'm sure you can see this as well. You start with 6 single crochets and then I increased until I have 30 single crochets, and I made 4 rounds with 1 single crochet in each stitch. And I finished the basket with the crab stitch. The crab stitch is just a reverse single crochet. I'm using a really thick yarn, so it is a little hard to crochet with it, and I am also using a 10mm crochet hook. Maybe I would even size up for an 11mm crochet hook. But this is how it looks. It was a very easy and quick project. On to my next project. This is the scarf for my hoodie scarf. I'm using alpaca yarn for this, so this is very warm and works up quite quick because I used a 6mm crochet hook. The scarf is made up with double crochets, and I just made 200 stitches or chains and 1 double crochet in each stitch for about 10 rows. So if you want to do this, you can do an easy stitch pattern like I do, or maybe choose a more complicated one from a stitch book. The next thing I did was to crochet 2 rectangles, and here you can see them. I just made those separately. I'm gonna sew them together like so, but you can also just make this one in one piece and sew them on the edges where the scarf and hoodie meets, if you know what I mean. I will finish this hoodie scarf and then later I will show you how it looks. But this was such a fun and easy project. It is so nice to curl up in front of the fire or the Christmas tree and make this simple project and just forget about all the stress relating to Christmas. So grab your crochet project, and while I am sewing this on, you can relax and finish the last project that you need to make before Christmas. But here you see I'm just laying the panels on top of each other, like so, and I'm gonna find the center. So we are putting, this is quite long, but I would maybe when I make another one, I will make it even longer because I can wrap it around my neck a couple of times, but I would like to maybe have like a little bit longer. But I'm just using a basic sew stitch here to sew the panels together. We're gonna leave one opening for the face and one opening for the scarf. I think it's better to sew them together than to crochet them together if you don't want to see the stitch so much. But this is a very easy way to make a hoodie. It will be fun to make a more advanced pattern for a hoodie that has more like a hoodie shape. And here, just putting them on top of each other here as well and making sure that they are aligned, the panels. The yarn that I'm using here, it's called Alpaca Breeze from Viking Garn. It has 60% baby alpaca and 11% merino wool. Alpaca fibers are hollow, which means they trap heat very well. This makes it super warm without being heavy and perfect for cold Norwegian winter. Also, alpaca yarn is great if you are allergic against wool because alpaca yarn doesn't contain that substance that makes people allergic. So if you know anybody who is reacting to wool, alpaca is a great choice. The last fact that I have for you is that alpaca is water resistant. So even if it's get a little damp, it will stay warm and cozy. And now I would like to tell you a little bit about the Norwegian Christmas traditions and how we celebrate here. Usually we open the presents on the 24th of December. So as I'm uploading the video, we will be celebrating Christmas tonight. However, I found a few clips from previous Christmas celebrations. We usually eat this food. This is pork or ribbe. And this is very, very tasty. And it takes several hours to cook this. And we open our presents in the evening. And here is a typical Norwegian Christmas tree with some gifts underneath. And if there are children, we normally get a visitor from julenissen. This is the Santa Claus, and he looks maybe a little different than the ones you have in the US. Depending on where you live in Norway, it's different what you eat. Some eat ribbe, some eat pinnekjøtt. Pinnekjøtt is made of salted and dried lamb ribs, and it's mostly occurred in the western part of Norway. But I live in the middle part, and here we eat ribbe, like I showed you earlier. For dessert, we like to eat like Christmas cookies, but also cloudberries with heavy cream. That is really tasty. The cloudberry only grows in the Arctic Circle, so you maybe can get it in Canada, I would guess. And it's also hard to find, and some years we have much of the berries and some years it is not so much. This year, however, we didn't find so many cloudberries, but luckily I have some in the freezer from 2023. But now my hoodie starts to work up, and I'm gonna weave in the ends here and cut some strands here. Here is the new Fiskus scissors that I bought earlier this year. So this is a very simple version of hoodie, and I'm gonna attach it here to the scarf. Here I just have to decide on which side I'm gonna attach the hoodie. because I have little different colors here on the top and on the bottom. So just think I'm gonna go with the other side, or yep, I think this looks better. And now we just have to sew this on and find the middle part, and the hoodie is done. This is the final result of my shawl, my hoodie shawl. It is very warm because I used alpaca yarn, and even though it's a little windy, I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but it's windy, but still keeps my my head warm. I hope that you like this vlog video. Don't forget to subscribe if you do, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.